Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. I record these way ahead of time, so the grandkids are here for the summer. And what kid doesn't like pizza? Well, we don't just do simple pizza at the Galley of the Sun. Today we're going to make Cajun pizza. All right, let's get started. First of all, I did an earlier episode where I did an experiment. Homemade dough versus the stuff you get from Aldi's. That's Mama Cozy's. And yeah, they were the same. So why was I spending hours making pizza dough? I don't do that anymore. I just run to Aldi's and grab this pre-made stuff. So we're going to open up one of these packages and we're going to hack this dough in half. Because two of the three grandkids are teenagers, and you know how teenagers eat. I'm actually making two other ones too, so 4 pizzas total. That should do it, I hope. Half that dough I'm going to set aside, and we will get our surface floured. And we will get our rolling pin floured. Because if you watch previous episodes, I've learned my lesson finally. Get that dough back into a ball, get it down, and we'll roll it out. Dough isn't being super cooperative. Perhaps I should have got this out about 30 minutes earlier, but I was working. Okay, until it warms up a little bit, that's as far as that dough's gonna go. So we're gonna set that aside, and we're gonna make our Cajun pizza sauce. So in a bowl, we're gonna mix some stuff together. Now I'm going to say some ingredients, but I ain't gonna say the amounts. That's because, dear friends, all the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions are going to be in a recipe. And that recipe is going to have a link down below in the description section. Takes you to our website. It'll be right there. All right. So our tomato sauce. To that, we're going to add some Cajun seasoning. Today, I'm using Cattleman's Grill Cajun Fusion. And we'll add some smoked paprika, some garlic powder, and a good healthy pinch of salt and pepper. We'll get that mixed up, set it aside. We'll be back when that dough warms up and I can get that formed into the right size pizza. We'll see you then. All right, my dough's relaxed. I got it to the size I need it. Now, let's put the pizza together. First of all, get yourself a peel to transfer the pizza. On that peel, I have learned the lesson, cornmeal. Get a thin layer of cornmeal on there. Because this pizza is going to gain some weight, and we want it to slide onto the pizza stone that's in my oven right now that's been preheating for an hour at 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Pizza is on the peel. The dough's on the peel. All right. First of all, a layer of that incredible Cajun sauce that we just made. Get that as close to the edge as you can. Don't waste any of this real estate. It's important. It's valuable, especially if you're feeding teenagers like I am. All right, anybody that's ever worked at a pizza place will tell you the next item that goes on, this is very important, is a cheese layer. I'm going to put some cheddar cheese on this layer. All right, this is a Cajun pizza, so next goes on some sautéed Trinity, which is onions, peppers, and celery. Do you think celery's weird on a pizza? It ain't on a Cajun pizza, it's required.
Absolutely.
Now our Cajun meats. First of all, some andouille sausage, sliced thin. And then some of our homemade Tasso ham. We make our own. You can see the video right there. If I edited this right. I hope I did.
Bravo!
If you don't know what Tasso is, you are missing out, my friend. Do some research. All right, last but not least, a layer of mozzarella. Okay, I'm going to push that down a little bit because that's how I roll. Now into the oven, 550, probably going to take between 8 and 12 minutes. I just want the crust done and the cheese melted. So we'll see ya when it's time to pull this back out and get some judgment from the grandkids. See you then. Pizza's out of the oven. It's looking beautiful. Now we bring in our expert judges all the way from the state of Louisiana. Okay, that's not true. They're from Washington, but they've had my Cajun food, so they can judge. All right. All right. We have Evelyn, we have Belle, we have Ryland. I got all their names right. So, what we're looking for here is it good? And can you taste the Cajun? Is it Cajun to you? First of all, Evelyn.
It is really good, I will admit. I don't know what a Cajun is. What are you?
Louisiana, like jambalaya, gumbo. So it's got andouille sausage on it. It has Tasso ham. It has onions, peppers, celery on it. The Trinity.
Yeah.
And Cajun seasoning in the sauce.
Yeah, personally, I can taste it. I mean, it does taste kind of like jambalaya to me.
All right, there we go. Bologna.
I really like it, and it also does taste like jambalaya, but not the kind that Rye makes.
Okay. Ryland, what say you?
It tastes like jambalaya. It is also good.
All right, there you go. Hey, Cajun pizza. Everybody loves pizza, but every once in a while you need to change it up a little bit. Change it up. Change it up. All right, hey, thank you so much for joining us today. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.